I started Lakeside Exteriors in 1997, right after I got out of the Marine Corps. Our company has exploded, and a lot of that is due to our willingness to think outside the box and do things differently. We have our own crews that do a lot of the work. That's very unheard of in our industry. Usually it's all subcontractors. I love Lakeside Exteriors because of the people. Number one, we have family that work here. My wife, my brother Dan is a partner, my daughter Candace, who does a lot here. We want to continue that tradition of keeping the family involved, but also the people that work here are also our family. We have employees that have been here for close to 20 years. That's a testament to them as employees. It's a testament to the company as a whole. We're not a perfect company. We do make mistakes, but when we do make mistakes, we make it right. We will bend over backwards to make sure our customers are happy, and so they will always say, we always make it right.